Elephants, one of my favorite animals growing up. With their extraordinary size, distinct characteristics, and intelligent actions, it's no surprise that elephants have captured the hearts of people worldwide, making them one of the most intriguing creatures on the planet. From their remarkable memory to their distinctive trunks, there are countless reasons why these gentle giants continue to amaze and astonish us. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 elephant facts that showcase just how incredible these animals really are. So let's dive in and discover some fascinating insights into the world of elephants. Number 10. They're the world's largest land animal. The African savanna bush elephant is a magnificent creature and holds the title of being the largest land animal on Earth. Adult males, also known as bull elephants, are known to stand up to a staggering 3 meters in height and can weigh an average of 6,000 kilograms. It is fascinating to note that these majestic animals continue to grow until they reach the age of 35 to 40 years old, which is well over half their lifespan, as wild elephants live up to 60 to 70 years. It is not only the adults that are enormous, even their calves are surprisingly massive. At the time of birth, a baby elephant can weigh up to 125 kilograms, which is almost equivalent to 265 pounds. These gentle giants have captured the imagination of people worldwide and continue to be an awe-inspiring sight for all those who are fortunate enough to witness them in the wild. Number 9. An elephant never forgets. Elephants are known for their incredible memory abilities and their ability to remember events, locations, and even other elephants for years. There are several reasons why elephants have such a good memory. Firstly, elephants have a larger brain compared to their body size than any other land animal. Their brain is about 3 times larger than that of a human, which provides them with a vast neural capacity that supports their excellent memory. The part of their brain that is responsible for memory and emotion processing, known as the limbic system, is particularly well developed in elephants. Secondly, elephants live in a complex social group, which requires them to remember the identities, relationships, and past experiences of other elephants in the group. This memory is vital for their social cohesion and allows them to recognize and interact with their family members and other elephants they encounter throughout their lives. Finally, elephants live long lives, and their extended lifespan allows them to accumulate a wealth of experience and knowledge throughout their lives. This accumulated knowledge is passed down from generation to generation, giving them an even more extended memory capacity. Number 8. You can tell the 3 species apart by their ears. There exist 3 distinct species of elephants, namely the African savanna or bush elephant, the African forest elephant, and the Asian elephant. In terms of physical characteristics, the ears of African elephants are considerably bigger than their counterparts, with a unique shape that resembles the outline of the African continent. On the other hand, Asian elephants have ears shaped similarly to the Indian subcontinent. Another noticeable feature difference is the number of fingers at the tip of their trunks. African elephants have 2, while Asian elephants only have 1. Number 7. Around 90% of African elephants have been wiped out in the past century. It is a sad fact that around 90% of African elephants have been wiped out in the past century. This dramatic decline is mainly attributed to habitat loss, ivory poaching, and human-elephant conflicts. Over the past 100 years, elephants' natural habitats have been destroyed as a result of human encroachment for agriculture, mining, and urbanization, forcing them to wander into human settlements in search of food and water. This has resulted in an increase in human-elephant conflict, where elephants are seen as pests and attacked by farmers who are trying to protect their crops. However, the most significant factor behind the decline of African elephants is the illegal ivory trade. Ivory is highly valued in many cultures and is used to make decorative items and jewelry, as well as traditional medicines. This demand for ivory has led to widespread poaching, where elephants are killed for their tusks, leaving behind orphaned calves and fragmented elephant populations. Despite efforts to protect elephants and their habitats, the illegal ivory trade continues to pose a significant threat to their survival. Many conservative organizations are working to combat this trade by raising awareness, increasing anti-poaching measures, and promoting sustainable and responsible tourism. It is crucial to continue these efforts to ensure the survival of these magnificent animals and their ecosystems. Number 6. Their trunks are very impressive. An elephant's trunk is an extraordinary appendage containing approximately 150,000 individual muscle units that allow it to perform an incredible range of functions. Among all mammals, the elephant's trunk is probably the most sensitive organ, capable of picking up small objects with impressive dexterity. In fact, it is known that Asian elephants have been observed to pick up peanuts, shell them, blow the shells out, and then eat the nut. Elephants also use their trunks for drinking water, and it can hold up to 8 liters of water at a time. When swimming, elephants use their trunks as a snorkel to draw in air, enabling them to stay submerged for long periods while keeping their bodies partially underwater. Number 5. Elephants have thick skin. Elephants are known for their thick skin, which provides them with several advantages. The skin of an elephant is approximately 2.5 centimeters thick, or 1 inch, making it one of the thickest skin layers of any land animal. The skin is mostly hairless and has a rough texture, with wrinkles and folds in some areas. One advantage of an elephant's thick skin is protection against predators and environmental factors. The thick layer of skin helps to prevent injuries from branches, thorns, or rocks when elephants move through dense vegetation. The rough texture of the skin also acts as a defense against insect bites and parasites. Additionally, an elephant's skin provides protection from the sun's harmful UV rays. Elephants have the unique ability to regulate their body temperature, and their thick skin plays a crucial role in this process. The skin is covered with numerous small blood vessels that help to dissipate heat. Elephants also have the ability to cool down by bathing in water or mud, which helps to keep their skin moist and cool. Despite how thick their skin actually is, elephants are highly sensitive to touch. They have an extensive network of sensory receptors in their skin, which allows them to feel even the slightest touch or vibration. Elephants use their sense of touch to communicate with each other, especially during social interactions like grooming, bonding, and especially mating. Unfortunately, elephant skin is also highly valuable to humans. Now, we all know that the ivory trade is a major threat to elephant populations, but elephant skin is also used in some traditional medicines and in the manufacturing of certain leather products. Because hunters can get a paycheck for their ivory and their skin, this unfortunately makes poaching extremely lucrative to them. Number 4. A baby elephant can stand within 20 minutes of birth. It is truly remarkable that elephant calves have the ability to stand up on their own just 20 minutes after birth and start walking within the first hour. Within 2 days, they are capable of keeping pace with the rest of the herd. This incredible feat is a crucial survival technique that allows the herds to migrate across long distances in search of food and water. By being able to keep up with the rest of the herd, the calves are able to stay protected and learn important skills and knowledge from their mothers and older elephants in the group. This adaptability and resilience are key factors in the survival of elephant herds, especially in challenging environments where resources may be more scarce. Number 3. Their tusks are actually teeth. The magnificent tusks of elephants are actually elongated incisor teeth, which typically emerge from the elephant when they're about 2 years old. These tusks are continuously growing throughout their lifespan. Elephants use their tusks for various purposes, such as foraging for food by prying off bark from trees or digging up roots, or as weapons for self-defense during fights with predators or other elephants. Unfortunately, the same tusks that make them so remarkable also put them in grave danger. As we've talked about previously, these tusks are made from ivory, a highly sought-after commodity that has driven illegal poaching of elephants, resulting in a significant decline of their population. Number 2. Elephants are constantly eating. Elephants are herbivores and have a diverse diet that varies depending on the season and the environment that they live in. Their diet includes grasses, leaves, shrubs, fruits, and roots. When water and food are scarce, elephants will eat more woody parts of trees and shrubs, such as twigs, branches, and bark. An adult elephant can consume up to 150 kilograms or 330 pounds of food per day, which is the equivalent of a very large adult human. However, about half of this food may not be fully digested and instead will leave the body undigested. Due to their high food intake, elephants can spend up to 75% of their day foraging and eating food. Number 1. Elephants have a complex communication system. Elephants are highly social creatures and have a complex communication system that involves various methods. They communicate through a range of sounds including trumpeting, grunting, and rumbling, which can be heard by other elephants from miles away. Some of these sounds are too low for human ears to detect. In addition to vocalizations, elephants use body language to convey messages, such as flapping their ears or swishing their tails to show aggression or excitement. They also use touch, such as rubbing trunks or flapping ears against one another. Elephants have a highly developed sense of smell, and they can use their trunks to sniff out various scents, including pheromones that convey information about potential mates. Additionally, elephants can communicate through seismic signals, which are low-frequency sounds that create vibrations in the ground. Elephants can detect these vibrations through their feet and trunks, allowing them to communicate with each other over very long distances. So in conclusion, elephants are truly remarkable animals that continue to fascinate and astonish us. As the world's largest land animal, they have a remarkable size, memory, and unique features that set them apart from other creatures in the wild. Despite the remarkable nature of elephants, they face several challenges, including habitat loss, human-elephant conflict, and poaching. However, various conservation organizations are working to protect them and promote sustainable tourism. It is extremely crucial to continue these efforts to ensure the survival of these magnificent creatures and their ecosystems. By learning and appreciating these amazing animals, we can contribute to the protection and conservation, ensuring they continue to captivate us for generations to come. Thanks a lot for watching my videos. Make sure to boop that like button, comment, and subscribe. Maybe you'll like some of the videos shown on your screen. Thanks a lot for watching, and stay tuned for the next episode. We'll see you later.